Welcome to my channel, where today we will be discussing a topic that is crucial for achieving financial freedom: 10 financial habits to keep you out of debt. In today's episode, we will dive deep into the habits that will not only help you stay out of debt but also pave the way for a secure financial future. Habit 1: Budgeting. I can't stress enough the importance of creating a budget and sticking to it. This is the foundation of your financial success. Habit 2: Saving. Setting aside a portion of your income for savings is non-negotiable. It's the safety net that will protect you in times of financial need. Habit 3: Investing. Making your money work for you is key to building wealth. Start small and gradually increase your investments over time. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Habit 4: Avoiding impulse buys. It's easy to give in to temptation, but learning to differentiate between needs and wants will save you from unnecessary debt. Habit 5: Paying off debt. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt to free yourself from financial burdens and move towards a debt-free life. Habit 6: Living below your means. By living frugally and within your means, you will have more resources to invest in your future. Habit 7: Building an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses can derail your financial plans. Having an emergency fund will give you peace of mind. Habit 8: Setting financial goals. Whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or retiring early, setting clear financial goals will keep you motivated. Habit 9: Seeking financial education. Knowledge is power when it comes to managing your finances. Stay informed and continually educate yourself on financial matters. Habit 10: Seeking professional help. When in doubt, don't hesitate to seek advice from financial experts. They can provide personalized guidance to help you achieve your financial goals. By incorporating these 10 financial habits into your daily routine, you will not only stay out of debt but also set yourself up for a secure financial future. Remember, it's never too late to start building healthy financial habits. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable tips on managing your finances. Until next time, stay financially savvy.